Are you ready to level up your career and break into the world of IT without spending a dime? Whether you're just starting out or thinking about making a switch, this could be your golden ticket. Over 1.2 million learners have already taken the leap and enrolled in Google's crash course on Python. Now it's your turn. Welcome to Business Training Media's professional series. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most popular online programming courses in the world, the Google Crash Course on Python online course. This course isn't just another coding class. It's a powerful, beginner-friendly program built by Google, designed to take you from zero to programming with Python, one of the most in-demand skills in today's job market. And the best part? You can enroll for free with no degree or prior experience required. Throughout this video, we'll show you why this course is perfect for aspiring IT professionals, career changers, and anyone looking to gain essential automation and programming skills. Be sure to watch until the end to find out how you can enroll today using our special link in the description. Let's talk about why this course matters. Python is everywhere, from powering AI and machine learning to automating tasks in IT support. Understanding Python can open doors to careers in tech, cybersecurity, data analysis, and more. And with Google as your guide, you're learning from some of the best in the industry. Inside the course, you'll start with the basics of how to write a computer program. You'll explore real-world examples and get hands-on experience through interactive exercises. Step by step, you'll learn to write simple Python scripts, understand Python syntax, and work with key structures like strings, lists, and dictionaries. You'll even create your own Python objects, giving you a true developer's perspective and the confidence to start solving real problems with code. Over 39,000 learners have given this course a near-perfect 4.8-star rating. That's no surprise, considering how accessible and engaging it is, perfect for those with no prior coding background. By the time you finish, you won't just have new knowledge. You'll earn a career certificate that shows employers you're serious about your future in tech. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to start building skills that employers value, click the link in the description to enroll in the free Google Crash Course on Python today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's thinking about a career in IT. For more free online courses, career resources, and training tools, visit us at businesstrainingmedia.com. Thanks for watching and best of luck. We'll see you in the next video.